everyone, have a nice day. This is amazing serving dish. Guys, look. This is porcelain, but this is high quality, guys. High quality. So amazing, guys. We can put this sauce. And look, this is the holder. Wooden. Very amazing, guys. Very nice. Ito, guys, ay ginagamit pag mag-breakfast, guys. Breakfast. Or pwede din ito lagyan ng mga sauce pag may mga guest. Ilagay sa gitna ng mesa. We put this in the middle of the table. And we put sauce here. And then turn around. So amazing serving dish, guys. I love it. Pag sa umaga, guys, ito nilagyan ng cucumber, cheese, carrots, tomato, and thymes in Arabic, za'atar, and here in the middle is olive oil. Or we can put also olive pickles here. This is very simple, guys, but amazing. I love it. Or pwede din lagyan ito ng mga pickles na cucumber. This is very lovely serving dish. I like it. Ginagamit ito, guys, sa breakfast. Kasi ilagay mo lang lahat dito ang mga pagkain. And then lagay sa mesa. And finish. Tapos magtapos na sila din kain, ganyanin. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, guys. This is amazing serving dish. The holder is made of wood, and then this one is made of ceramic, but this is high quality, guys. Very simple serving dish, but very cute. Thank you for watching, guys. Kasi hinugasan ko ito, guys, kasi katapos lang ng amo ko nang kumain. So, I clean. Love you all. OFW life. Work mode na naman tayo.